Hello everyone! In this video we're going to show you how to install our main cluster board and our SI board into your cluster. First, we have to take off the top cover by unscrewing the back screws. After taking it off, we take out the gauges. The middle gauge needs to be unscrewed in the back, so do that before trying to pull it out. Now we set up the new main cluster board by removing the light bulbs from the old board. Since our board is a little thinner than the original, you will need to tighten the sides of the light bulbs as shown in the video. Once you do that, they will fit perfectly. After repeating this step with the rest of the light bulbs and mounting them on the board, we can move on. To install the SI board, we need to position it in the middle of the frame. The board is cut to fit into the frame like a puzzle. Careful, there's two notches that you need to look out for. There's two connectors we need to connect. This step is a bit tricky, so take your time with it. What's left is to return the gauges back. There is now new pins from the SI board, which weren't there before, and when putting the gauges back in their places, make sure to plug them in properly and without bending the pins. After that, we need to screw the top cover back on and we are good to go. We hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to leave us a comment on what you'd like to see next. Drive safely and see you on the next one.